Virgin Atlantic recently started flying its new Airbus A330neo, complete with a new upper-class suite. I took a flight from London to Tampa to check out the new experience. The first thing you notice is the aisles are very narrow. There are 32 suites in the cabin in a staggered 1-2-1 configuration. The seat is 22 inches wide. With fixed armrests either side, it did feel a little tight compared to the A350 seat. Beside the seat is a storage compartment with a vanity mirror on the inside. Below that is a counter with a power socket, USB and USB-C port, and a control panel to adjust the seat. There's also a wireless charging mat for your mobile phone. Under the armrest is a controller for the entertainment system. There's also a handy storage area beside the seat. The entertainment system has a 17.3-inch screen. There's plenty of legroom to stretch out. Above each seat are individual air vents. The seat reclines to form a flat bed about 6.5 feet long. And there's a do not disturb button for when you are sleeping. The table pulls out from beside the seat and then folds open. It has a curved edge and can be adjusted forward and backwards. The biggest innovation of this new suite is a fully closing door to provide extra privacy. There's plenty of mood lighting around the cabin. Two of the suites at the front of the cabin are larger retreat suites. The seat is the same, but there's a second jump seat for a guest and a larger table. Subscribe now to catch all future videos. Comment below to let me know what you think of the new Virgin suite. I'll publish a full trip review soon.